Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking real estate Facebook post. So, if you are trying to create a real estate post on your own, you can do it in Canva. If you have no experience or creative skills, you don't have to worry, because Canva allows you to modify pre-made templates created by professional and creative designers. To get started, create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Real Estate Facebook Post. If you want to create an Instagram post for real estate, you can type Real Estate Instagram instead of Facebook. Today, we are going to create a post for Facebook, which is why we have added Facebook. Now you can see the Canva templates available to me. You can modify whichever one you like, so explore all the available templates. Click on See All and explore. Choose whichever template meets your expectations or vision and modify that one. From minimalist to professional-looking designs, they are all available. Some are paid, and some are free. For now, I will go with this one. This one is a pro template, but you can choose a free template. Just choose whichever one you like. Click on Customize this template. And now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. Starting with the text, click on the text you want to select. If you want to add text, double-click on it and add your own text, or remove any text. To explore more text customization features, these are the available options. This one is for changing your font. This one is for resizing your text. And this one is for changing the color of your text. This one is for making the text bold. Similarly, you can try the other text features to understand how they work. These are the basics, and that covers the text features. You can customize your text however you like. Moving on to the background. If you want to change the background color, just click on it, and here is the option for background colors. Just choose whichever color you like. Like this. And now, let's replace this image with your own real estate image. To do this, go to the Uploads section. Upload a real estate image from your PC, and your image will appear here. For now, I will replace this image with this one. To do this, simply drag and drop it. Just drag and drop it like this, and your image will replace the template's image. To resize or reposition your image, you just need to double-click on it. Then, like this, you can adjust or reposition your image. In the same way, you can modify anything you like. Add your own image, logo, text, details, contact information, and more. When you are done with the modifications and customization, name your file here and go to Share. Select Download and download it in PNG or any other available format if needed. Then download it and you are ready to upload your real estate Facebook post to Facebook. You have created your own real estate Facebook post within a few minutes. Thank you for watching.